Whoa! You can really see how the note detection of the Guitar Interactive game and the convenience of the mobile game really drill the patterns of the fretboard into your memory. But why did we use the A minor pentatonic scale as the very first lesson? YouTube has all kinds of suggestions on how to memorize notes. Find the B, C, and EF notes since they are adjacent. Use patterns like bead since they spell a word, etc. These ideas aren't necessarily bad, but when possible, I prefer to start out with something that is musically meaningful. fretDrills can do this because we've got the lick looper to get you kick-started. Guitarists begin their soloing journey with the minor pentatonic scale, since it is the most versatile. I chose A minor to start with, since it has no sharps or flats. Then, once you've got the A minor pentatonic as an anchor, incrementally adding the rest is like falling off a log.